If square root of m plus square root of n is equal to 10 and mn under square root is equal to 10, we have to find the value of m and n. So let's first square both the sides. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, and this we can expand as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this we can write square root of m square plus 2 times m under square root times n under square root plus square root of n square is equal to 100. Now we can remove the square root with the square, so it is m plus 2 times. Now if square root of a times square root of b, we can also write it as square root of a times b. So it will be 2 times square root of m times n plus remove the square root with the square, so it is n is equal to 100, or we can write m plus n plus 2 times the value of square root of m times n is 10, so it will be 2 times 10 is equal to 100, or m plus n, 2 times 10 is 20, and we can send it to the right hand side, it will be 100 minus 20. Therefore m plus n is equal to 80. From here we can get the value of n. N is equal to 80 minus m. Let this be equation 1. Now again we have m times n under square root is equal to 10. When we square both the sides, it is m times n is equal to 100. Now from equation 1, we can put the value of n. So it is m times 80 minus m is equal to 100, or this is 80m minus m square is equal to 100, or we can rearrange it and write minus m square plus 80m, send 100 to the left hand side, it will be minus 100 is equal to 0. Now we multiply both the sides by minus, so it is m square minus 80m plus 100 is equal to 0. Now to find the roots for m, we can use the discriminant, the quad formula. It is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of m square, that is 1, b here is coefficient of m, that is minus 80, and c here is 100. So minus 80 plus minus 80 square minus 4 times 1 times 100 upon 2a. So 2 times 1, or minus plus 80 plus minus 80 square is 6400. Minus is inside the bracket, so it will be positive, minus 400 upon 2, or 80 plus minus 6400 minus 400 is 6000. If we factorize it, so we can write it as 2 square times 15 times 100 upon 2. So it is 80 plus minus 2 square times square root of 15 times 100 under square root upon 2. Now remove the square root with the square. So it is 80 plus minus 2 times square root of 100 is 10, then square root of 15 upon 2, or it is 80. We get 2 common, so 40 plus minus 10 times square root of 15 upon 2. Now remove this 2 and this 2. Therefore m is equal to either 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, or 40 minus 10 times square root of 15. If m is 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, then n is equal to, from equation 1, n is equal to 80 minus m. So it will be 80 minus 40 plus 10 times square root of 15. So it is 80 minus 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, or it is 40 minus 10 times square root of 15. When m is 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, in that case n is equal to 80 minus 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, or n is equal to 80 minus 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, or n is equal to 40 plus 10 times square root of 15. So these are the two values for m and these are the two values for n. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.